Hello to everyone. I have finally opened the door to new students in my Masterclass again, and welcome to this course on how to become a true web designer. In this Masterclass, you will learn how to create a website from scratch and sell your services to your customers. This is an amazing opportunity to develop your skills and build a professional future. Before we dive in, I want to break this introductory video into chapters so you can click directly below and go to the section that interests you the most. What's included in the course? What will I learn and what are the benefits I will get at the end of the course? Who is the instructor? And why you should purchase this course. Let's start with the first chapter. What's included in the course? This masterclass is designed for everyone, regardless of your prior experience. You will receive lifetime access to over 40 lessons. And the best part is that the course will be always updated, no additional cost. Once you purchase, one-time payment and no subscription, you can follow all videos whenever you like, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest developments. To help you launch right into the world of WordPress, you will also get 1 month of free hosting with Siteground with Nicdark link, and include a license for Elementor Pro, the best page builder for WordPress. This means you can publish your first site without any extra investment, allowing you to focus only on creating your project. Now let's move on the second chapter. What I will learn and what are the benefits I will get at the end of the course. You will learn how to create an amazing website with WordPress and Elementor Page Builder. Why is it important to know WordPress? Did you know that 60% of all websites are built using WordPress? Even prestigious institutions like NASA and the White House have chosen WordPress for their platforms. This CMS is one of the most flexible and user-friendly options available, meaning that no matter what your goals are, WordPress provides the tools you need to achieve them. Learning WordPress not only opens the doors but only gives you the freedom to express your creativity in a professional way. Whether you want to create a personal blog, a business site, or an online store, understanding WordPress is essential for your success. By the end of this course, you will be able to create a website from scratch and sell your services to your potential customers. Now let me introduce myself. I am Nick, nice to meet you, and I am one of the top 100 authors on ThemeForest, among over 8,000 authors. I have sold more than 40,000 digital products and earned over $2 million. Also, Envato has selected me as one of the best authors of their platform. Link in the description if you want to read the interview. With over 15 years of experience in the field, I have created a lot of WordPress plugins available on the official WordPress repository. And over 100,000 users are currently using our products, including themes and plugins installed in their personal projects. You can also find my products on Envato Elements, one of the best sites for digital assets, and on our marketplace, where we support all customers 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, thanks to our fantastic support team on our dedicated support platform. I am excited to share my knowledge and guide you through the process of mastering WordPress, and I think I am the best teacher for you. Finally, do you really need a course to learn WordPress? While there are a lot of free resources available online, it's easy to get lost in the high volume of information. You can spend hours searching for the right and up-to-date information, only to find outdated resources that can create confusion in your learning process. My course is designed to streamline your learning journey. I have condensed my knowledge from over 15 years of experience into these lessons, sharing the secrets that have helped me achieve my goals and successes. Instead of navigation through lots of confusing information, you will have a structured, comprehensive guide that covers everything you need to know. Join over 300 students who are not only following my courses, but also stay in touch with me. All users have access to our super forum, where you can connect with other students and get the help you need along the way. Thanks for watching. If you have come this far, you have already taken an important step in your future education. Click the link below to enroll in the Masterclass today and check the page to see if there are any active promotions. See you in the class and let's build something amazing together.